I'm looking at the lens guard and I don't need to have a bright light on. You can see all the little specks and debris. So no matter what you do to clean it, you're not going to get this clean. I did touch this and get a fingerprint, and it looks like I got some inside. So these are the standard guards. I could get it off eventually. And that's what cost me a shot right there. Now, what do? You keep the lens guard off and just get your shot and hope the dirt don't come back? Or you just sit here and constant clean till you rub all the plastic off? Or maybe the glass? Does that look clean to you? Look at all the specks and dirt and dust. How do you get these things not to have dirt, lint, dust, and spots? Well, there you go. I got it nice and clean now. But the next time I put a cloth on, I put my case on, all added protection. Not silicone, but it's protected.